Hi, this is Marty from the Doherty Garden. Today's plant is the Pin Striped Calathea. I seem to recall it's sometimes being used as a house plant up north, and I imagine it probably still is. But it's for those plant people that really know their stuff. I have this outside in a shaded environment, and every once in a while Mother Nature gets through and shines this nice little shiny light on it. So I have no explanation for the burned edge of the leaf, but it was about a few months ago that I pulled it out. It didn't look too healthy, so I cut off all the goodies off of it and repotted it into this little larger pot. And we seem to have 1, 2, 3, if not 4, growing in the pot at the same time. And as you can see, let me just pull this out of the way there. There's one of those little leaves. I'm just leaving it on to see how long it takes for that little puppy to turn brown. And there's another one with the tip of the edge. But other than that, the plant seems to be surviving with no problem. The color of the leaves, some are with the green stripe, and some have a pinkish color coming from the center of the stripe and drifting out towards the edge and the tip of the plant. Like I say, it's a Calathea Pin Striped. Nice little house plant for those of you who are growing it. And as I said, it's one of the next plants that are in line for videoing the history of all the plants growing in the Doherty Garden. If you have any questions, any comments about your experience with this plant, please let us know. We're all ears. Thank you very much for stopping by. Like the video and make any comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.